Hello students, now in this session I will explain question number 1 and few sums of question number 2. Okay, now in question number 1, the first thing that you have to do, you have to write the fractional form of all the figures, and then you have to decide whether there is a addition is happening or subtraction is happening. Okay, very easy. Now the first thing that you have to do is you have to count how many divisions are there. Altogether divisions is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So out of 5, how many divisions are shaded? 1. Now let us write the fraction form of this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is out of 5, 2 divisions are shaded. Now regarding this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 3 divisions are shaded. Okay, so now we have written the fractional form of all the figures. Now we have to decide that whether addition is happening or subtraction is happening. Before that, I want to say that in the fraction, addition and subtraction is only possible when the denominators are same. You see, in the first fraction, what is the denominator? 5, and second fraction, what is the denominator? 5. So both the fractions are carrying the same denominator. That means we can add. If the denominators are not same, then we have to make the denominator same. After that only we will minus or we can add. Okay, now so as in this case both the fractions are carrying the same denominator, and even the third one is also carrying the same denominator. Now you just have to make a judgment that whether we have to do plus or we have to minus. So see, 1 plus 2 is what? 3, isn't it? So if we add, then only we will get 3, isn't it? So we have to add. See, 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5 is equals to, now we will make a common denominator because both the fractions are carrying the same denominator. So we'll make a common denominator and we'll write like this: 1 plus 2. So this will be equals to 3 by 5. Okay, now let's do this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So out of 5 divisions, 5 only shaded. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of 5, how many divisions are shaded? 3. Equals to, out of 5, how many divisions are shaded? 2. Okay, now again we have to check that whether the denominators are same or not. So in all the 3 cases we see that the denominators are all similar. Now you just have to compare the denominators. Now 5 plus 3 is 2. No. 5 minus 3 is 2. Yes. So in this case we'll do minus. So equals to, so if you write equals to here, then we'll make the common denominator like this. Okay, and what is the numerator? 5 minus 3. So 5 minus 3 is what? 2. 2 by 5. Okay, so this is how exactly question number 1 should be done, and question number C would be a homework. Okay, try. If you will have any problem, then share it in the WhatsApp group. I will try to do question number C also. Okay, now let's move on to question number 2. Now today I will explain only 4 sums of question number 2. Okay, very easy. Let us start with the first sum. See, 2 number A. The 2 number A is what? 1 by 18 plus 1 by 18. Now as I said that in fraction, addition and subtraction is only possible when the denominators are same. Now you see these 2 fractions are carrying the same denominator, isn't it? So we'll make a common denominator. Okay, and what is the numerator written? 1 plus 1. So what will be the answer? 2 by 18, isn't it? Now you can reduce it also. That is 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18. That is answer is 1 by 9. Okay students, now let's move on to question sum number B. Now this is question number B. Again, these 2 fractions are carrying the same denominator, so we can easily add. First of all, we'll have to make the common denominator, that is 15, and what is the numerator? 8 plus 3. Okay, so 8 plus 3 is what? 11 by 15 is the answer. So easy. Okay, now let's move on to sum number C. Sum number C is, again you see both the fractions are carrying the same denominator, so we'll make a common denominator like this, 7. So what is the first numerator? 7 minus 5. Now this time we have to subtract. So 7 minus 5 is what? 2 by 7. Okay, So this is very easy. Let's move on to D. D is 1 by 22 plus 21 by 22. Now again, these two fractions are carrying the same denominator. So we'll write a common denominator like this, and 1 plus 21. 1 plus 21 is what? 22 by 22. We can reduce it. 1, 1, answer is 1. That is 22 ones are 22 ones. Answer is 1. Okay, the rest of the sums I will explain it tomorrow. So for this session you will do only question number A, B, C and 2 A, B, C, D. Fine. Thank you so much. Take care and stay blessed.